Hey, this is Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video I'm going to be talking about my 6 top needed items for travel coming up. There will be a link to where you can find each item listed in the description box below. But this first item, if you don't have this item already, please run out and get one. It is a portable charger. You can use this to charge 2 items at a time, and most of them are made that way, so you can charge an Apple Watch and iPhone, 2 phones at the same time, a tablet and a phone at the same time. It also has dials to show you how much power is within the charger, and it also has a built-in flashlight. I recommend getting this, definitely this first thing on my list. This is a little odd, but if you have sinus issues like me, this is a must. I used to get sick in every hotel room I would stay in, and ever since I would start carrying a portable humidifier, I have no longer gotten sick in hotel rooms. So it is necessary to have a portable humidifier, especially with sinus issues. This particular one is really easy to clean. It has a removable filter, so you can buy a new one when you start to notice that the one you have is getting super dirty. And it's just so easy to work and to travel. It's very small and compact. Definitely recommend. The third item on this list is a travel laundry bag. I love how compact this is when I pack it into my luggage, and how it folds out into a good sized laundry bag when I am using it while I'm traveling. And it's not really taking up new space, it's taking up the space that your used clothes were taking up, so it's pretty awesome. This particular one has the pouch that was holding the bag is now on the front and can actually zip in, where if you needed to put like buttons or underwear in it, you can put it in there, and then when you're done with it, it just crumples back up into the pouch and you just zip it closed and you're done, and there's no special folding required. I love using this instead of the plastic bags in the hotels. This next item is definitely a money saver, not always for me, but definitely for people I've traveled with. It is a luggage weight. You just take the bottom hook and hook it into your suitcase handle and lift it up by the grip. It weighs in pounds and in kilograms, so it's pretty awesome. As we all know, getting on a flight, your suitcase can't be more than 50 pounds. So with this, you can check your suitcase before you get to the airport, so you don't have to worry about those surprise fees. The fifth item that I have is a hanging toiletry bag. I love using this because it has these zippers, so it makes it a nice compact bag for travel. And then once I get to my location, I'm able to unzip it and fold it out into a larger bag where I can see all of my toiletries. It's made of plastic, so it makes it easy to clean. And then with the outside zipper and the inside zippered pockets, if something were to waste, it's wasting within the bag, so it makes it very difficult for it to get all over my suitcase. It's just a very easy, compact way to travel with toiletries. The sixth and final item that I use is packing cubes. You cannot imagine the amount of space that is saved with packing cubes. Typically in my travels, I use 3 different sizes, one for my underclothes, one for my shirts, and one for my pants. It literally cuts the amount of space in your suitcase in half. For those who are new to travel, I hope that this video was helpful, and for those who are frequent travelers, I hope that this video maybe sparks some change to your travel game. Once again, I am Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and I post here weekly videos on food, travel, home, and a few product reviews. So don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!